it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here again with another make and take from on stage to showcase some of the new sweets. So this one is made using the Share What You Love. Now you might have seen a lot of Share What You Love because it was on pre-order a month early, so lots of you might have it, and you might have seen lots and lots of demonstrators demonstrating it. So to make this card we have used this stamp set. So I have already I stamped it on stage because I didn't have the stamp set and I still haven't got the stamp set, to be fair, so I've used some of the different leaf elements to give us a little bit of background there. So I used the mint macaron on mint macaron cardstock. I did get to keep the mint macaron actually, because when it went round and round and round, I took it. So here we go. Here's some new doilies. They're pearlescent. Hope you can see that. They're like plain white on the back, but they're pearlescent on this side, and that's the doilies there. So you get 24 in a pack for £4.25. It's a bargain, that. We're using the lovely paper. I have shown you the paper before, and we're using this rich raspberry velvet ribbon. I love this. It is so nice. So I got lots of it. Usually what we do is we'll have a whole reel of it, and so we'll just share it amongst those that are on the table. So I got myself a nice length, so that's lovely. Okay, I think there were some pearls. I didn't put any pearls on my card, but the pearls are very beautiful. Okay, so let's put this card together. So I say I've already done the Stampin. Didn't do very well. I didn't do the scoring. I think it was pre-scored. But I have done this. Now this one is showing with the sentiment, I am lucky to have a friend like you. I decided to go with thank you because I send a thank you card to all my customers every month for shopping with me. So I thought, well, I'll make this, and then that'll be one of my thank you cards done. So if you shop with me, you might be lucky enough to get this card. This is just our thick vellum, which is, you know, a nice weight. I'm just going to put some snail in the middle so that it's not seeing. So the thing about vellum is you do see the glue through it, adhesive through it. So if I put it in the middle, you're not going to see it because this bit is going to cover it up. I love this paper, and I love that. So yes, very beautiful. This paper, it's almost cardstock. It's really thick. You can feel how thick that is. If it doesn't hold it up, it doesn't like flop over. Really thick. Great for 3D projects as well. Really cool. So I'm just going to put that a little bit of an angle there. I've got one of my little pearlescent doilies. Do you ever lose your word? Do it all the time. It's that age, isn't it? Sadly. There we go, that'll be enough. And I'm going to stick that centered there. I love this sort of layering up way of crafting. Really like it. Oh, I like that as well. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? That one's got the pearlescent side on it. So yeah, we'll stick to that because it picks up this colour here. Rub that up, otherwise I'll stick things on it accidentally, like so. Stick that across there like that, and I'm going to get a length of ribbon. going to get a bit fast fused for the ribbon. I know you can't get fast fused anymore, but some of you may have shed loads like I have, and you'll be using it, as will I. There we go. And if you can see on here that the pearls are sort of dotted around, but I didn't cut any of the pearls off. Well, I think we decided that we'd leave those for but you know, you could pick them out at the end of the day, and I think we didn't divvy them up this time. Do you know, I've got a bin in the corner there, and I still just shoved it down next to me. I'm not used to having a bin so close. I am in a room that's more than twice the size as the one I was in before. There we go. And that's it. Thank you card. So if you shop with me, you may well, I probably put a mat on there. You may well receive this as part of your thank you package, and if you use my host code, which is on my blog, always in the top corner, that side, that's my right hand, isn't it? If you add that, then you get a share of the host rewards as well. So hope you like that. All details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and yeah, please like and subscribe. Please go and visit my blog. I do lots and lots of close-ups, and put all the details of what I've used and measurements, etc. over on there. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. See you again soon.